And our next guest joining us is president and founder of Stearns Retirement Group, David Stearns from Atlanta, Georgia. David, welcome back to the show.
Thank you, Dave.
All right, so, the economy, according to what everybody's saying, has been growing well throughout most of 2018. Fourth quarter is a question mark. Do you think fourth quarter is going to be a good quarter in terms of GDP growth? Is it going to be down? And how does that affect us throughout 2019 in terms of the economy?
Dave, I think that our GDP won't be too far off of the third quarter of this year, 3.5%. I think that we've got momentum right now. I think the GDP is solid. I think we're going to see the momentum carry us on into 2019 for at least the better part of the year. I think we'll probably even see some sort of an unexplainable softening with Trump and China on around first quarter of next year, which will give us a little bit more of a boost as two of the biggest economies get a jolt from that.
Okay.
And I think we're still getting some mileage from the tax legislation.
So the economy is going to do fairly well through 2019. The momentum will carry. Now, how's that going to affect the stock market? Does that mean the stock market has seen its worst over the last few weeks?
Yeah, I don't know. No, I don't think it's seen its worst. I think that, Alan Greenspan just recently said, as you know, the party's over on Wall Street. He said that 2 days ago. He said he doesn't think equity prices can go much higher. He's been there. He's done that. Okay. I think he knows what he's talking about, but I think it will take off. The stock market will take off again for the better part of the first half of next year. I think we can continue to expect the same volatility that we've seen as the Feds unwind quantitative easing and take that caffeine away. But I think the strong economy will allow long-term rates to go back up again.
Okay, so David, 15 seconds. Do you think we'll hit a new record high in the market at some point next year? And number two, where do you think we'll end up? Higher or lower than we are today at the end of 2019?
I think that next year we'll peak out around 25,750, maybe 26,000 in the Dow. Okay. I think Trump will get entangled by the middle to the end of next year, and I think we'll see the market falling by the end of the year. My prediction is the market will end at about 22,000 the Dow next year.
22,000 on the Dow, and there we have it. I love your words of wisdom as usual. Thanks for being part of the show. We really appreciate it. Hope you come back.